They popping. I don't know what to tell you. Hello, gorgeous. Welcome or welcome back to the channel. It is your girl Tamika. She is Tamika and Tamika is she. Hey, she is Tamika and Tamika is she. Hey, she is Tamika and Tamika is me. All right, girls. So you already know what today is. It is shot day. It is the Mounjaro shot. All right. So this is the last shot that I have. The last 5 milligrams in my box. So let me go ahead and open it up. As you can see, my girl Lola has been chilling. I took her out the refrigerator about an hour ago. So next week I will be starting 7.5 milligrams. And then we just want to keep going and going and going. Not titrating up, but just, just keep going with the flow. All right, so I am going to be injecting in my stomach once again. I am not going to do my thighs. I just want to put out here, I know like my old videos and stuff that I've been putting out and the whole compilation of my Wegovy and Zepbound journey. Thank you so much for watching those, because a lot of you guys didn't even know that I was on Wegovy. 2023, your girl was on it for 4 months. I didn't even last long, but girl, Wegovy was where it was at. The views was viewing back then, okay? Got on Zepbound and it was like, it was oversaturated. Everybody was on Zepbound, like what? But yeah, so we're gonna go ahead and get into this Mounjaro journey. Mounjaro journey. All right, so we're just gonna, okay, where is my cotton swab? You can tell I don't always do the right thing, but you should always do the right thing. So I'm trying to do the right thing. So let me go ahead and get my alcohol and my cotton ball. This is the shirt that I'm wearing. It's like one of those leotards onesie things, as you can see here. So I didn't want to put it on knowing that I'm going to be giving myself a shot. So actually y'all need to come down. I don't remember which side I did, but let me just pick, oh shoot. I think I did like lower, so I'll just go a little upper. How about that? So I'm gonna go on this side and I'm just gonna rotate around. Child, please. Alright, let me not go down too far. Okay, so we're going to take it out. We're going to unlock it, because the green, and go like that, pull it out, and I went up here, so we're taking the last 5 milligrams. Ouch. Okay. I don't even know where I put it at. Okay, that wasn't bad at all. All right. So now let's chat for a second. Now, you're getting this injection video on Thursday. Today, it is Wednesday. Yeah. It is Wednesday, September 3rd. All right, it is 5:36 a.m. I've been up since 4. But I am moving my shot day back, okay? It was on Fridays. I did mention some weeks ago about how I was feeling nauseous and all of that stuff, or just my body was just trying to get used to the whole injection, and I was just feeling very sick over the weekends to where I didn't want to, it just made me sick and nauseous to even look at food. And I think it was just my body trying to adjust, especially since I started back on the injections on 5 milligrams instead of at the lower dose, which is 2.5. And if you're new here, the reason why I did that is because I took a 5-month break off of Zepbound. Caremark approved me for Mounjaro as an off-label, and that was the workaround to keep me on tirzepatide, since I had been on Wegovy prior, before Zepbound, and I was just feeling nauseous every week. I was just feeling nauseous. So it was not a good, I did not have a good vibe with Wegovy. But I moved my shot day, so it's going to be on Wednesdays. Now, when I start 7.5, there is a possibility I might go back to Monday. I'm not exactly sure yet, but I know at 7.5, I will start eventually doing every 14 days and then once a month. And my goal is to do once a month on 7.5, because I feel like 7.5, if I take it once a month, the strength is strong enough to, give me that suppression that I need for the whole entire month, versus me staying on a 5 milligram or 2.5, trying to do that once a month. And then it's like, I'm not the type of person who's afraid to have my appetite. I am here on maintenance. I'm not here trying to drop weight. I am aware that I will end up dropping some pounds, but I'm not trying to go past like 10 pounds, 15 pounds, 20 pounds, 30 pounds. Because then I'll be right back at where I was, which is 130 something. And that's too small for me. So with that being said, injection day is going to be on Wednesdays. You will get the video on Thursday, and then on Friday you will get the summary from the week before about how the injection was and any side effects I have went through. So I just wanted to share that update with you. I also want to say about the shot, when I say ouch, that means it hurts. Please stop trying to tell me that it doesn't hurt that bad, because that's your skin. Your skin is your skin. My skin says ouch when a needle is injected. I always say ouch. Even when I get blood drawn, I say ouch, because something is being injected into my skin, which is pinching it, which means ouch. Okay? I'm just saying. When I did the Wegovy injection, I didn't know what to expect. I didn't know how big the needle was, how deep the needle was going to go inside. So I didn't know what to expect. So yes, I did. I was a little dramatic, like that. But when I said ouch, that means it hurt. Okay? Back up, because you know what I'm saying? Just saying, they popping. I don't know what to tell you. Ouch. All right, but until then, thanks for watching. Goodbye, gorgeous.